G-Shock is finished with the markings and lettering on the watch face in highly original colour schemes, creating a unique view. A big rotary switch at 3 o'clock adds to the overall look and enables intuitive operation of various functions, making it both functional and stylish. The multi-dimensional face design incorporates one analog dial in the centre, as well as a handy digital display which also shows the day of the week. It's built with world-famous G-Shock toughness and is engineered to deliver outstanding shock resistance and 200-metre water resistance. Oversized buttons come with a checkered anti-slip surface to make operations fast and sure. A multifunctional stopwatch, auto LED light with auto light switch, world time and 5 alarms make this watch both fashionable and functional. Casio Watches Australia. Free returns, next day delivery, full warranty.